Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and just making a quick video about this. Have you ever got this? Well, the one reason you got this error and your Cevelop won't even open is because there's one thing I forgot to mention. Probably that's why I got 2 dislikes on my first video, my first ever YouTube video, or probably they're just trolls. So you need to have a JDK or an SDK. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. And the reason you need JDK here is Cevelop is made from Eclipse, and Eclipse is written in Java. So to run anything that's Java, that is written in Java, you need to have a JDK. So open up your favorite browser and then Google search. So Google search JDK and then it should be the first link. And then depending on the version on this, so in this video it's version 15 for Java. Probably after this video it might be version 16 or different version, but it doesn't matter. You just need to have the JDK. You need to have the JDK downloaded. So once you do that, I already downloaded it. You need to run the installer, and all you need to do is just click next a few times, several times, run the installer, and once it's finished install, you can click next and then finish. So it takes about like 5 minutes, give or take. All right. So after you do that, go to search, environment variable. So type in environment, and then as you type it, it's going to show up edit environment variable for your account. So click that, and then double click path, click new, click browse, and then you expand this PC, expand the C drive, and then you go to program files. So it depends on whether your Java JDK is either 32-bit or 64-bit. If it's 32-bit, it would say program files in parentheses. It would say program files with x86 in parentheses. So it's basically what you need to do. So if you got a 32, instead of going here, you go, come on, any day now, here. So that's the 32-bit. But since I have a 64-bit, I'm going to be using program files. All right, so you expand Java, you expand JDK, and then you click on the bin folder. It's going to expand, but it doesn't matter as long as it's highlighted. And then click OK. And then click OK. And then click OK. And then you go back to your Cevelop folder where it has the software on it. Double click it. And then voila. It works. If you don't get that and you still have some other errors, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to fix it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.